Hi guys! So in celebration of my 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, I want to show you my paintings, how I arrange them, how they look like in person, or well, not in person, but on camera. And yeah, it's like a small studio tour. To be honest, I don't really have a studio. I paint on the floor, like literally on the floor. I lay a mat down and sit there cross-legged and yeah. But then I just want to show you how I arrange my paintings because most people would ask me, you paint a lot, but then where do you put all your paintings? Well, I'm gonna show you right now. But first, I'm gonna show you first here my trolley. It has a lot of paints and I have a lot of tubes. Um, I buy in tubes. I mean, I buy in bottles because I don't know. They look like I will never run out of them. That's why it gives me some sort of security. Because when I buy something like this, I paint a lot, so this is not really. It's like does not give me that secure feeling. Okay, yeah, this is my trolley. Yes, you can. Oh, by the way, this was the last tutorial, right? The candle, right? Okay, now I'm just gonna show you the room where my 80% of my paintings are stored. So yeah, here it's here. Ta-da! A lot of it, like I store them. I literally carry them like one by one, of course. Yep, yep. Since 2017. But yeah, I am kind of proud of myself for arranging them this way because yeah, kind of neat, right? Right? Yeah, I like it. I've never entered this room for the longest time because not because I don't want to, but because I couldn't. I couldn't enter. I think I was able to enter right in the middle just to take a picture, just to take a photo, I mean. And yeah, so here you go. Here you go. A lot of paintings. Actually, when you go there are a lot more. So I started to collect my own paintings since 2017. But most of them are from year 2018 to present because my 2017 paintings, especially those based from tutorials and paintings of other artists, I've painted them over because yeah, I just consider them as learning paintings or study paintings. So they're no longer here with me. They've been painted over. Okay? So let me show you a lot more paintings. In this one side of my house, we have here a lot more. Yes, yes, yes. You can see here a lot more. Right? So there you go. I have a lot more paintings. And on top of it, we have my art. I'm sorry, it kind of looks like I'm not a neat person, but but I'm just protecting my palette, so I wrapped it in plastic. And yeah, I think I'm generally neat when it comes to my supplies. I think, all right, but yeah, so I really don't mind not having them really super arranged as long as they're not gross, you know what I mean? They're not gross like sticky stuff and all that. Ugh. But here you go, this is my these are my brushes, and as you always see them on my videos, yeah, these are just my brushes. I have no more brushes, no new brushes actually. I just got two watercolor brushes, but since I've used them already, they're no longer new to me. Okay, so let me transfer to another side and just show you another library of paintings. Okay, please wait. Ta-da! Yes, it's under the table. So it's like a library of paintings again. Like that. These are fairly recent. Most of my Paris paintings are here. And a few tutorials are here. So yeah, I arrange my paintings this way. And if you're worrying about them getting stuck together, no, not really, because I don't have any issue with them getting stuck. If ever, you'll just hear that sound, that cracking sound, that they're stuck. But nothing really is damaging to my painting. So yeah, there you go. So you've seen my paintings, right? You've seen them. Okay. Yes. So thank you guys for your time. It will be it's a short video actually. And thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you to all those who have subscribed to my channel. Gosh, I really appreciate it. Like, I have more than 1,000 now. And I think these people are the people who just love art in general, or who want to see me paint, or who want to learn some techniques. And I really appreciate it, you know, that these people are just, I consider them as, well, I really believe they are sincere subscribers who just want to learn something from another person on the internet, and that is me. And I'm really glad that you trust me. And it's just heartwarming. I never thought that I'll be teaching online. So yeah. Yeah, thanks guys, and I hope you enjoyed that small, short room tour, if you may call that. Is that a room tour? That's like a just like a floor tour, I guess, because I have a lot of paintings on the floor. Yeah, thanks guys, and see you on my next video.